Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 things you need to know before you buy this finer form adjustable bench. Now this video is going to be in particular for individuals who are interested in the finer form adjustable bench that you see right over here. I've had this for well over a year now, and so let me go over a few things. The first thing is that if you are going to just be doing some basic exercises, okay, you're not looking to lift extremely heavy, you're not dropping like half a ton onto a bar, you're not benching like 300 pounds. This bench, I'd say for the average person, is going to do really good, both men and women. So this is just a really nice basic bench. But I'd say over time, it does just become a little wobbly. So that's the second thing. So you are going to need to adjust it from time to time. So it still feels pretty sturdy. But with this bench, again, after some use, you are going to need to tie it up or kind of tighten up the screws. And that's the second thing. The third thing about this bench is that it's super lightweight, okay? Because I'm moving this bench all over my garage, depending on what exercises I'm doing, it is so easy to move around. I don't need to lift it up and wheel it over. I can literally just carry this bench and do my chest presses. I can carry this bench and move it away before I do my squats. So this makes it super easy, guys, as far as before I wanted a heavy duty bench. But honestly, there are so many perks and positive things when it comes to actually having a lightweight bench just like this. The fourth thing, and this isn't necessarily a positive thing about this bench, is that every time you adjust it, please make sure that this prong here is actually within one of these grooves. It's happened to me twice where the bench itself was like that, and so when I laid back down, it kind of caught me by surprise just because it would slam into the groove just like that. So always triple check and make sure that this prong right here, the one that's holding this bar up, is actually within one of these grooves, okay? Now, the last thing about this bench is that you can fold it. I personally don't, but this kind of ties into the aspect in which this is a very lightweight foldable bench. I can just move it around so easily. It does feel sturdy. I do wish the leg portion was a bit wider for a wider base of support, but still, it still feels very sturdy. It's lightweight, and I've had no problems with this whatsoever.